This Bialetti's Preziosa 3-cup French press provides the simplest method of making rich, traditional coffee. Made of 18/10 stainless steel and a 12-ounce glass cylinder. This French press is made of the highest quality materials. The domino cutout is featured front and center on this French press and is widely recognized and Bialetti's original symbol of quality and authenticity. Allows coarse ground coffee and tea leaves to infuse completely in hot water to ensure optimal flavor and oil extraction. The stainless steel fine mesh plunger and filter prevent grounds from getting into your cup. The borosilicate glass beaker can be removed from the stainless steel frame for easy cleaning. The Preziosa French press is dishwasher safe. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Coffee tips. Use coarse ground coffee in your French press. Don't use too fine ground coffee. This can result in a clogged filter screen and grounds in your coffee after pouring. If the water temperature is too high, coffee may have a burnt taste. Water should be just off of a boil, about 200 degrees Fahrenheit. A thermometer can be used to ensure accuracy. Store your coffee grounds in an airtight container, away from sunlight or your freezer. For the freshest coffee, grind your beans immediately before brewing. Use filtered water for the best coffee flavor. Number 2. Produces 3 cups of rich, authentic coffee. Number 3. Made of high-quality 18/10 stainless steel and heat-resistant borosilicate glass. Number 4. Easy to clean and disassemble. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.